So it says garage light, but I did get one of the ones. I think I got one of the ones that folds a bit. Pull it out here. And what is this? Oh, they give you a light socket. Okay, I got a light socket. What am I supposed to do with a light socket? Oh, am I supposed to like unplug or undo the wires on the lamp? The lamp should have a light socket in it anyway. I'm lost. I'm lost on that. So it's garage LED lights. They're supposed to move around a little bit. Nice and pretty. And of course it says Amazon. Thank you. We hope you enjoy the product. Okay, whatever. After sale policy. Well, this, I'm not going to lie to you. This has been sitting on the table for like 3 months. Not going to lie. So let's get it out of the box. We haven't really had much time to do anything. But it's the holiday season. And so what you have here is you have a light. And you got this little cap on it. And if you look back here on the back, it's a screw-in light, just like a regular light bulb. Okay. Ooh, and I got my finger stuck there. And then here's your LEDs. They fold out. Oh, now you're starting to see where I'm going, huh? Yeah, now you're starting to see. Now you're starting to see where I'm going with this. Okay, so now you can move these individually, independently, to shine a little more light in that direction, and then maybe kind of bend this back a little bit to this way all light is going basically in one direction. Kind of. Okay, you have to tinker with it, play with it, but that's not quite going up as far as I thought it would. It's okay though, because these two panels should be going forward. But this came out not with just one. Didn't come with just one. No, this came with two. So we'll put a link to this down below in the description. Check it out if you want. But we're gonna go downstairs into the studio, and we're gonna plug one in. We'll see what happens. Then we can turn this. We're gonna go ahead and turn this one off. That way it doesn't blind us whenever we're trying to screw it in there. That might be smart, huh? What do you think, Sweets? Think that might be smart?
Yeah.
Unplug it so it doesn't blind us? Or not unplug it, but turn it off so it doesn't blind us. It's just going to rotate in just like any other light bulb will. At least hopefully. I don't know if that's in there or if I just broke it. Uh-oh. Oh, nice. Okay, so it's closed. That's what it looks like when it's closed. So we're gonna open one. Wow! That's brighter than that other light was, I think.
Yeah.
Wow! That's not even pointing down. Okay, so now it's kind of pointing this way, and I cannot see anything over that way. Ooh. So we'll put the second one down here, and oh, okay. That switches in there. All right, so yeah. All right. So yeah, that's the second one there. I don't know that it got any brighter. I still can't see the camera. I mean, I can see the outline, but I can't see. It seems like it's brighter in here. And we're gonna fold the next one up like we had upstairs, and then just gonna open it like a spider to kind of shine the light over in this area. And then we'll do that with the next one too. Oh my gosh, I cannot see. This is bright. Okay. So now I can turn it just a little bit so the light's a little more even. Yeah, it's a little more evenly spaced to this back wall. I still, I can see the outline of the camera. I can't see the monitor part of it or the lens part, but it's pretty bright. It's pretty bright. Okay, guys, I did that video probably around 6 months ago. I kind of forgot about it and forgot to work on it. But when I was working on it today, I realized that, well, I'm shooting way over there off to the side, and it's not showing the light or how bright it actually is. It looks like it's dim, and that's because the light is right there in the middle of the screen, which just makes everything else look dark. That's just a lighting effect. It's not dark down here. You can clearly see right here it is not dark. And we'll throw a little bit of a green screen behind me there, just so you can see if it works a little better. There is still a little shadow over here, but not horrible. Not horrible at all. Check that product out. Dig. No. Ah!